Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngidi isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyijiyane
uhlelo nekoliqhubekayo la khona kuphekwa khona noma la khona kuGeneral Sibiya ethula ke khona ubufakazi mayelana ke nezinsolo zenkohlakalo athweswa zona mnilo ungugeneral noma amaphoyisa kwelase KZN umnumzana kuNhlanhla Mkhonazi uSibiya usefezeke nokuthi kuNhlanhla Mkhonazi akazilutho lokaSoto buveza ukuthi kumkhwanazi akasiya akazilutho ngokuzokuphenya kwamaphoyisa uthi kayikho into ayasiyo lo muntu lo ngokuphenywa kwamaphoyisa noma ngabe kuthiwa uyambuza ngepolitical killing ukuthi ke yaphenywa kanjani noma uphenyo lukuphi ayazi nje ke into ethiwa ukuphenya emaphoyiseni uphinde wafeza ukuthi kwakhumalo lowo eningitshela ngayo ukuthi ke naye ngomunye ke osehlelweni koliphezulu emaphoyiseni uthi lo muntu lo bekade ke ngudriver ngalokhuzana nje ukuthi bekade ke engudriver kaMkhwanazi uthi ngamanye amasu bobabili labo bantu labo ayikho into abayazi ephathelene nje ke lapha ke nozokuhlela noma ke nezokushushiswa empeleni nje ke lapha ke ephathelene ke nje ke lapha ke bakithi ke nozokuphenya amacala ulabo bantu babili ukuphenya nje ke icala abakwazi ukuthi ke icala ke liphenywa kanjani uthi yimi umuntu okade ekhona kusukela ngonyaka 1989 ngangineminyaka ngamashumi kamabili 20 years namhlanje ke ngina 57 so ke lokhu kusho ukuthi sengimkantshubomvu lapha engikhona khona umsebenzi lona engiwenzayo ngiwenza ngaphandle kokuthi ke ngithandabuze ulawo bantu bebabili nje ke bayizingane ezincane lapha ke emaphoyiseni into nje ke ethiwa kuphenya nje ke lapha kamacala yinto abangayazi ke sidalo kodwa ke ngoba vele phela ke some animals are more equal than others ingakho ke kuzoba kanjena uthi khona abantu abasebenzisa kumthetho ukuze ke bakwazi ukubypassa kumthetho kulabo bantu labo bobabili bazenza ke ngcono ayikho into abayaziyo noma futhi ungaya kubona njengamanje ufika ubabuze ke nje ke mayelana ke nozokuphenywa kwamacala epolitical killing njengoba ke kwaleyo PTKK kwayona eyikade kumsebenzi kwayo ungasabonakala emva kokuthi amacala amaningi ayikade ke ngaphenyiwe uthi ke ingoba vele kwakuvele kuphethe bona abantu abangasilutho ngezokuphenya.
We must bear in mind chair, neither is General Mkhwanazi an investigator, doesn't know anything about investigation. Colonel Khumalo, Lieutenant Colonel Khumalo was Mkhwanazi's driver. He's also investigating this thing. I don't know if General Khumalo's got investigation. I know he's investigating, but he's never been an investigator. I don't remember him being trained as an investigator, unless he's got that certificate that says he did investigation. I might be wrong. Now, the same member of the political killing task team members, including Lieutenant Colonel Khumalo, these are the team that are investigating, going, kicking the doors. There are so many cases opened. They went to Fort Hare University and they took money from accused number 1 at Fort Hare University. That matter is investigated by the DPCI. There is evidence, they don't deny, but nothing is happening. Why some of the people are above the law? They can do as they please. Nobody takes action because they are protected. We need to know how many cases were opened against these political killing task team members. They are there. No action is being taken because there are some powerful individuals that cannot be questioned. It's wrong. The country shouldn't allow this. They are here, they are operating, but yet they are suspects. No.
Can I